Hi everybody, it's Dana Kerigan with Kerigan Marketing, coming to you back with this week's Tuesday's digital tips and tricks. Now this week we're going to talk a little bit more about your Facebook business page, and for instance, your story and why your story is important. First of all, people want to know who you are and what your business is about, and more importantly, they want to know what makes you stand out from your competition. So stay tuned and we're going to tell you all about how to update that story just for you. Every business should be filling out the Our Story section on the Facebook page because it offers a great opportunity for brand storytelling. It's yet another way to convey crucial information about how your business stands out to your potential customers. Your title has a 128 character limit, so choose every word carefully. Rather than being a standard list of operating hours, contact information, and related links, our story is a place to showcase an engaging narrative. Use words that draw visitors in, and don't be afraid to be creative. Really think about, what do people ask you most often, and what do you sell? What is the one thing you want them to know? Keep in mind that Facebook will only display 100 characters, so put the most important and attention-grabbing information first. You'll also want to make sure that you choose an eye-catching image that fits with your brand's aesthetics. Once you've decided on a great image, check to see how it looks on mobile, desktop, and tablet to make sure the image isn't getting cut off. We hope you found this helpful, and stay tuned for next week's Tuesday's digital tips and tricks.